Maraming salamat. Chen Judith, MYMP.
Thank you. Good morning po. Good morning.
Yung boses mo has always been like that. Ganda.
Salamat. Ay,
Talaga? I mean,
meron ba?
umaga pa lang, ganun na.
Umaga pa na.
Di ba? Nag-uumpisa bang araw, ganun na talaga. It's so soothing.
I think so.
Yeah, but you know, but as a young girl, that voice has always been there. That's what I'm trying to say.
I think it's nag-change naman ata.
Nag-evolve.
Oo,
Pero
kasi-
mahilig ka na talaga kumanta.
Yeah, pero mahirap akong pakantahin nung bata ako.
Dahil amazing ang umagang ito. One amazing moment sa inyong buhay. Either as part of MYMP o kaya sa personal na buhay. Ano ang makukonsider ninyong amazing moment?
Siguro, as MYMC, madami, pero Araneta, tsaka na maraming bumili ng album namin.
That's true.
So, parang
Paulit-ulit.
ulit-ulit. Yun, sobrang, hindi ka panipaniwala yung
Correct.
Kasi, yung makagawa na kami ng album, sobrang tuwang-tuwa na kami nun eh. Tapos,
Yung bilhin pa.
yung,
Di ba?
may bumibili, tapos, ayun, nakapag-concert pa kami sa Araneta. So, parang, yun lang.
Amazing.
Yun lang.
You have a concert, guys.
Yes, we have a Valentine concert sa Miracle Theater this February 16 at a Saturday night. Sana samahan niyo po kami. Valentine So Perfect. Ayan, with us. And we have
What's the title again?
A
Valentine.
Valentine So Perfect.
Cute one. Valentine's so perfect.
Yes, tickets are sold at the Ticketnet, so you can call them.
Kayo ba may mga kasama dito sa concert? Kayo lamang? Other bands? Guests?
Now, we have a special guest, Thor. Ayan. Magaling yun. Kaya dapat.
Okay. May pasasalamatan ka.
Oh yeah, I just had my eye laser 2 weeks ago, so I want to thank Laser Care Ophthalmic Clinic, sila Dr. Mario Aquino and Dr. Vic Santos. Thank you so much for taking care of my eyes.
Oo, balik na. 2020 vision. Amazing. Hindi ba?
Amazing yan.
Amazing talaga yung procedure.
Galing.
Maraming salamat.
Try it.
Oo nga eh. Ilang beses na po akong inimbitahan na magpa-laser din. Hindi pa nabubuo ang aking amazing na feeling. Pero dadating tayo dyan. Shen, maraming salamat. Meron ka bang nais batiin? Kuya, salamat for the name.
Kuya Rocky, for the name MYMC.
That's true. That's true. Make your mama proud. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
At maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng Boy and Chris. Okay. Mga kaibigan, isang amazing na baka